Hey guys, hey loves, hey babies, welcome back to my channel. It's Sohna. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe to join the family. So today I wanted to show you guys this beautiful hair from Ashimary Hair. So it's a headband wig, you know, that's what everyone's been wearing lately. And I am so excited because, honey, look at this. Look at this. Like, look at the quality. You can literally see it. Look. So beautiful. Doesn't tangle or anything. And it's so easy to put on. It has the sticky thing on the back. It's in the texture deep wave. It's in a texture deep wave in 28 inches. That's why it's so long. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on, then try to kind of, you know, wet it and see what it's given. Bismillah. Ooh, it's already given, and it's not even done. I don't have edges, so this we're just gonna have to. I'm gonna there we go. There we go. Very full. I want to wet it and see what the wet look is gonna give me. Should I put the headband first? It comes with it comes with this lashes. It's an upgrade from what I usually see. And this headband, I don't like the print, so I'm gonna use one that I already have, which is this one. I don't know if I should wear my hair then. No, I'm gonna put it on now. Should I? Yeah. I'm just gonna put on this headband. This is cute, but it doesn't go with my outfit. Like, so I'm just gonna use something else. What I'm gonna do first is wet the hair. This is a really nice hair. Like, this is a really, if you don't have a headband wig, like, what are you waiting for? Go get one. I think everyone needs at least one or two in their hair collections. Like, it's very easy to install. You don't need to glue nothing on your head. You don't need to spray nothing or cut no lace. All you do is just put the band on, and you know, I'm gonna put some of this mousse on it. Whoa, so beautiful. Put the back a little. I'm gonna put a little bit of gel, Eco Styling gel, so the curls can hold for a long time. So beautiful. Like, I just love curly hair. I think that this is my second curly hair. I had one in like a frontal, but I know I cannot wear frontal all the time, so I was like, let me get this one let me just choose the same texture, but it's a headband wig, so I can wear it easily. Maya, mommy. Okay. This is how the texture is looking. So very beautiful, so given. I think I should wet the bottom a little. Okay, now let's put the headband. I need a mirror. Okay. Ooh. I am loving. I am so very loving. I don't have edges, but let me put a little bit of gel here. This is nice. This is nice. I'm annoying, but you guys, I love this hair so much. The texture is beautiful. No weird smell. Literally no weird smell. And what else? No shedding. Let me see. Oh, there's a little bit of shedding. I mean, it's curly hair, so it's gonna shed a little, but not like too much shedding. You know. Let's be realistic here. But you guys definitely recommend. I will definitely recommend you guys to get this hair if you like how it looks on me. I will make sure I put all the information in the description box below. If I have any discount codes, you know, I'm gonna put it there because I got you guys. You're my loves or whatever. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you have not yet, and don't forget to check out Ashimary Hair. Hope I'm saying that right, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.